So, today I will be playing Skywars, and it's going to be the No Regen challenge. Now, this was a video already played by, or this challenge is played by Small, and I really liked it, so I'm going to try doing it too. And so, I'm going to put him in the link down below. And, yep, I hope you like, and let's get to it. Okay, so, I don't know how many rounds I'm just gonna do. I'm probably gonna stop when I feel like it, but so the kit I use is the farmer kit. So, if anyone was gonna ask that question, I answered it. Get a stone sword. Okay, so I don't need that. I can't have that because that technically count as saving your life, cause it's like if you get in lava, it could save your life, if you know what I mean. And like if you don't, that's totally fine. Yay, I got a good sword. I don't need you, I need you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No. Okay. And this stuff I pretty much have. Swiftness. What the heck did that guy do? He was just there. Oh, I'm gonna come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No, it's like no one here. Okay. No one's here. Okay, so, I'm going to tell you guys something. I am going to be changing my username to Creamy Chocolate. And as you see, I changed my skin too. If you didn't know that. So, yeah, God, I swear. Such a... No. This guy, no. Oh, dang it. Oh, why couldn't we, Jen? But, yes, I'm going to make a video about that. Because, I mean, like, this is not an updates video. So I will do that in a separate video, and I'll tell you more about it. But now, let's get to it. So, Small is my friend, and I watch his videos, and if you don't subscribe to him, go and do it, because he's really fun, and if you get to like know him and watch his videos, you could probably tell like, oh, he's so awesome, and then like I understand, so like you'll like me so much. Hey, no. Dang it. I'm gonna go to you. I'm gonna come to you. Can I come to you? Well, the stupid guy's going to the middle. You nub. He's crazy. What is he doing looking like that? He barely has armor, and he's going to middle. Okay. Where did he go? Always be in the heart. I'm gonna come here. How come I can't run? I can't. Rip. Oh my gosh. You. Okay, so let's play again. Play again. Okay, I do have this slime cage. I really like it. I do. It's a rare or legendary. I don't know. I think it's legendary. I'll have to check on that later. Yeah, so let's see here. Good stuff. What I do is I usually get a pickaxe and an axe. Well, Lion told me this. I'll also put him in the description down below. He told me that like just get like a pickaxe just in case, because like you never know if you can end up getting like stuck and you don't have like it's like stuck in stone or whatever, and like you don't have a way out. So you always want to be careful. So yeah. And I'm gonna go over to this guy because this guy seems very boring. He doesn't. This guy must have the sound off. This person has the sound off. You nub. Hmm. Okay. So boots and then. Okay. So come to this guy. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. You nub. I got 2 kills. Oh, 7 players left. I'm gonna come to this guy. I'm just like bridging across the whole map. No, 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 no. No. I can kill that guy. Yes, I can so kill this guy. So let me get that there. I lagged. Give me a pickaxe. You nub. Is anyone at the middle? No, no one's at the middle. So I've gotten like pretty much most of the kills. So like this, I guess I can go in the middle. I'm gonna kill this guy or woman. No, I'm not. Cause she's hacked. Oh my gosh, she hacks so bad. Why do people do that? Such a waste of your blocks. This guy hacks so bad. No, I was doing so good. Oh, GG. So, next round. Um, okay. Yes, let's get started. Nom, 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 nom. Oh my gosh, I can do that later. Okay, get this stuff. Oh. It's so laggy. This guy hacks, 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 hacks. That guy hacks so bad. So bad. I don't even know how or why, but that's just like, cause I know that my PvP skills are one of a kind. Oh, I wanted that egg. And like all these people watching me, like around me, like, why is she doing this? And she's like, I'm doing a challenge here. So if you don't mind me, I'm just gonna throw this stuff away out. Okay, I'm gonna go bridge to this guy. Because this guy is... No, I'm gonna come to this guy. You nub. Stupid, what are you doing? Come here. Chicken. Just thrown off a cliff. I can't get up. Stuff. I'm gonna come to this guy. I'm a little laggy. What the heck? I don't like you, lag. Dun 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 dun. I'm at this guy's. Please. Okay. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna enchant my stuff. Ooh. Fire protection. Okay. Well, Hey! You see, no. I'm gonna kill this guy. No! I'm gonna come kill you. Oh. Okay, that was really bad. Super bad. Not even joking. It's bad. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. And like I said, I will put SmallPlayz link in the description and in TheLyonsRoar link in the description. And I will also soon upload a video of new updates. So leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Bye!
Yeah. 2 rings, I'm the MVP. I'm Steph Curry, all I ever do is switch my threes. My shows look like I've been living in DC. A whole lot of people listen when I give my speech. Like Mr. King, my fit looking crispy clean. Smoke green, on my eyes blaze Krispy Kreme. Turn a booth into ash when I spit this heat. Your Dre beats might melt for these MP3. Sheesh. Who would've thought that I would go out in public? It's been something that's disgusting and everybody would bump it. A nerdy dude, now I'm stunting like Breezy. I'm about to run it. And these band girls all trying to blow me like a trumpet. Independent, you a puppet. The flow is like double dutch if you try to jump in. I promise that you gon' get hurt. Giving the pads.